Now, with the most polished pups in the world descending in New York to go head-to-head at Westminster trying to win top dogs. So far, 4 dogs have advanced to the final round. More will compete today and tonight, and then the winner will be crowned. And ABC's Janae Norman is here with the ones to watch. Good morning, Janae.
Good morning. So obviously you guys know how big of a deal this is. Thousands of dogs taking over the Big Apple as the best of the best purebreds vie for top dog at Westminster Dog Show. Finalists across 7 groups based on breed compete tonight in the grand finale to be crowned best in show.
New York City's first ever spectator sport, the Westminster Kennel Club Dog Show.
More than 2,800 canines from 203 breeds over 2 days.
It's like the Kentucky Derby of dog shows. You know, it's what everybody strives for as an owner or a breeder or an exhibitor. It's the show of shows.
Competing for top dog tonight at the 143rd Westminster Kennel Club Dog Show. Backstage in the benching area, these dogs have been prepping and primping for hours. We're talking blow drying, bathing, brushing, and more brushing. And it all comes down to 2 minutes in the ring.
When the judge goes over the dog, you'll see them put their hand down like this to look for a well-defined stop, and they're going to look for a wide, capacious head. And this is why you just cheese the head to make it look a little bigger.
The fierce and fluffy competition, rough for some pups. The thousands of competitors whittled down to just 7 of our best 4-legged friends. Already stepping up their paw game and moving to the next round is Burns, the long-haired dachshund hound, snagging first place in the hound group.
I think you did wonderfully.
And Bono, who had a beautiful day Monday when this little Havanese won out of the toy group. He moved in mysterious ways that wowed the judges.
The Havanese has it.
While 4 of our 7 furry friends are making it to the finals, 3 more will still be named today. And the 3 that are still up for grabs are sporting group, working group, and terrier group. Anything is possible in those. I had to get a dog pun in, guys.
You had a few in there. I like how Bono was having a beautiful
day, right?
Yeah.
So a lot to look forward to with that. People just love those dogs.
Definitely. Beautiful.
Thanks, Janae. All right, and the winner, by the way, of Westminster will be live right here in Times Square tomorrow, so a lot to look forward to.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.